I make and sell furniture with 2x2s. The 2x2s you find at the store are never straight, have a lot of defects, and have bad rounded corners. By making my own 2x2s from 2x6s, I have straight, mostly defect-free 2x2s that have nice, modern, sharp edges. The price for a single 2x2 at my Home Depot is $3.28. The price for a 2x6 is $5.65. I can make 3 2x2s from a single 2x6. 3 single 2x2s would cost me $9.84, almost double the price. By making my own 2x2s, I also end up with a 3/4 inch offcut. Subscribe to my channel and you'll see in my next video how I use the ones I made today, wasting nothing. Now let's get to my top 5 things I make and sell from 2x2s. This table is one of my favorite for summer season. It uses one 2x6 transformed into 2x2s almost entirely. It's simple to make with a miter saw and a pocket hole jig. After this video, check my channel to see how to make this table or any other furniture you see here. The way I make this table, no holes or screws are visible, helping me charge more on the marketplace for a better profit. Next is a bench for kids, which can be scaled up for adults. It's also entirely made of 2x6s that I transformed into 2x2s, except for the armrests where I use 2x4. You could join two 2x2s together if you started with pre-made 2x2s, with wood glue and clamps. This bench is very simple to make, except the armrests which have some angles in them, easier done with a miter saw. Make sure to sand all the sharp edges so it's safe for any kids sitting on it. This is a great item to sell in the early summer. I've had parents asking for specific colors on the marketplace, which I charge extra for. Next is possibly my biggest money maker on the marketplace, tables marketed for being plant holders. I have a pretty big market in my area that loves plants and need tables for them. I've often been asked for specific formats, which I try to get done and ready for the buyer in a day or two. When I make this table, I usually make 5 or 6 at once. This helps me make more sales on the marketplace without that much more effort. I make them all sorts of colors. Some are black, some are kept natural but waxed, some are stained. I keep a few models for sale at all times to get more non-custom buyers. In second position is a build that I sell for a lot of money compared to its cost to make. It's a shoe rack that I make the frame with 2x2s. I've done shelves with 1x2s that I make by resawing 2x2s in half. In this video, the shelves are made from a palletwood 1x6. This is a popular item year-long and always gets me premium prices compared to tables and benches. Sales are a bit slower, but I keep 2 different models stacked in my garage and I'm always happy when someone wants one, and happy to make a replacement to sell next. The profits that this shoe rack can bring compared to the amount of wood it uses is pretty good. Make sure you have a good finish and take nice photos for the marketplace and you're gonna get some good sales on this. I've done shelves with 1x2s that I make by resawing 2x2s in half. In this video, the shelves are made from a palletwood 1x6. Last is a new item I started selling a few months ago, but I've been getting very good prices for. By painting the legs with an oil finish and sanding properly, I can get buyers that are interested into metal legs but are happy about the huge price difference. I make it clear in my marketplace post that this is a wooden table, and people looking for a discount on premium metal tables contact me and get this. I've sold many so far and can make a replacement in 2 hours at most. It's simply a few 2x2s jointed by pocket holes, with a top made of any 2x wood. Sometimes I alternate 2x2s, 2x4s, and 2x6s for a more random look. I use weathering techniques on the top, which buyers seem to love and be attracted to. I use a jigsaw to add damage to the tops before any staining, which looks like old barn wood. I hope this video helped you have more ideas on how to use 2x2s to make furniture for yourself or to sell on the marketplace. By making your own 2x2s, you'll get ones that actually make nice looking things compared to store-bought ones barely good enough for framing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and see you next time.